This is a fruit tree, but these plant, all these things is taking them over. So I have to come here and clear it up. All these vines. This is elderberry right here. But I'm gonna cut down this tree. It's blocking my fruit tree from getting the sunlight. So this banana leaf, but this is my cherry tree, and the cherry tree can't function because there is not any sun hitting it. This is a hibiscus. Let me prune this hibiscus. So now, you see. So now the cherry tree have life. Now it can function. Now it can function. These are arrows that's going here. So when you get up on morning, guys, you just get up on morning and you take a nice stress, yes. And when you take a nice stress, you get yourself together. And then what you do, you're able to come outside and get yourself in the garden, get some fresh mint. All right. These are pumpkin. I'm trying to look to see if they start producing as yet. Okay. Hello everyone, how you all doing today? Okay. All right, let's go for a nature walk, guys. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button. Appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. Now, before I go any further, I gotta see some more light. Yes, because here we give it raw and straight. In this video, I'm planning to show you guys what living off the land is like, or living a self-sustainable life, or what is living off the grid. Living off the grid can be very challenging. Living off the grid can be very challenging. It also can be a beautiful thing. All right? You know what? I need to go and get some steak for some of my bell pepper. So you guys can follow me on this journey if you like. Let's go on this journey. We're going and get some steak for our bell pepper plant. All this is edible growing here. It need cleaning up, but man, them grass is growing like wildfire. Yeah, we need some steak. Do you guys know what is porkweed? This is what you call porkweed, guys. This is the porkweed. This is the seed. When living off the grid or living off the land, you cannot be scared. Scared got to be out of the picture, because when you got to go in the bushes to grab a few pieces of wood, scared cannot be anywhere close. Because if you got to survive, how could you be scared? If you got to figure out where to get the wood them. Hey, Rock 100, how you doing? You know, cannot be scared when you live in off the land, when you live in a self-sufficient lifestyle, when you live in off the grid. You will have to be brave. Yes, you will have to be brave.